Okay, guys, this is about to be creepy in Google Maps. Okay, guys, so I'm going down now. I kind of messed up on the place real quick. It's in this place. It's in the Southern Ocean, Antarctica, I think. You gotta go. I went in the wrong place. You gotta go like find here. Why does that look like the Megalodon or the Titanic? Just crashed in the bottom of the ocean. Cause nothing or something's flying that's very big. Tell me, but that literally looks like it's a flipping megalodon or something really big. So, like and comment on this video. Use this sound too.